Hi there, students. To transpose. I guess a noun, transposition, are both countable and uncountable. This is quite a formal word. Let's see, this means to change something from one position to a different position, to swap them over. Okay, so for example, when spelling the word receive, I always tend to transpose the I and the E. Is it R-E-C-I-E or R-E-C-E-I? I before E except after C. Okay, or when you're writing a list of numbers, yeah, it's very easy to transpose two of the digits. Yeah, the reason your sum doesn't add up is because you've transposed these two numbers. The number is 73, but you've actually written 37. You've transposed the 3 and the 7. To transpose, to move into another context, to transfer from one period to another. So, for example, the musical Guys and Dolls, I think this is the story of Romeo and Juliet transposed into the 20th century. You transfer something from one period to another. Or, for example, the book, The Heart of Darkness. Yeah, the film Apocalypse Now transposed it from 19th century Africa to the Vietnam War. It moved it from one place to another. You can also use this meaning to transform the nature of something, to change in form. So I hope that there will be a transposition of our society from a consumer society to a citizen society where everyone takes responsibility for our society. Yeah, so it's to move from one thing to another. You can also transpose a piece of music. This is where you play the music in a different key. So, da da da, da da da. Yeah, you transpose it to a different key. You move it to a different one. Okay, so to transpose, to reverse the order of something. With inversions, only if you do that will you be able. You transpose the will and the you. You swap them round. You reverse them. Yeah? To transpose, to change into a form, to change the nature of something. So, the adventures that he had were transposed into a film. Note this word is fairly formal. So let's see, to transpose, to swap two or more things in different places, to exchange places, to switch, to swap, to interchange, yeah, to reverse. Yeah, to transport to a different place or a different context, to shift. So the film started in the Middle Ages, but then the story was transposed into our modern society. Yeah. To transpose, to change something from the original to a new setting. You can actually use this word in mathematics as well. If you have an equation, you can transpose one thing to the other side of the equation and make it negative. Okay, and I think this is the idea of to transpose. Yeah, from one place, one situation to another situation. yeah, to transpose things, to put them the other way round, yeah, to interchange. So I'm always making mistakes by transposing letters when I spell. Okay, so let's see, formality to transpose. 6.57, semi-formal conversation, yes. Semi-formal writing, formal writing, definitely. And then as to origin, this comes from French transposer, yeah, which comes from Latin transpositus, trans, across, and ponere, to put, so to put across, to put in different positions. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Transposition.